Hey guys, what is up? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to fix ChatGPT too many requests in 1 hour. Do you want to remedy the 1 hour limit for ChatGPT users? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so if you've been using ChatGPT for a while, you will know that for people who use the free version, there's a limit to the requests you can ask it, to the prompts that you can do. So if you do too much, it's gonna say too much requests for 1 hour. So when for example you're asking ChatGPT for a prompt, it's going to say, "Oh yeah, you've asked too much. Come back after an hour." And I that's the way for OpenAI to kind of like limit people so that they might get the an upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. So there are a few ways to remedy this. The first one is, of course, to wait for an hour. It's the most straightforward solution. And it's just 1 hour. But if you are in a hurry, maybe you need to be more. The second one is to be more efficient and reduce the number of requests. The other one is use a different IP. Uh, and I think the other way is just upgrade your ChatGPT plan. But for those who don't have the money to do so, the best way is just to make another ChatGPT account. So like if one account hits the too many requests, just sign into another account, and there you go. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.